study about the types of function. In types of function we study about the cube function. So let us explain you what is cubic function. First I would like to define the function f r to r defined by f of x is equal to x cube is called the cubic function. So I would like to explain this in detail. First we take some numbers here, because we know that f of x is equal to x cube we have, and if you put x is equal to minus 2, we get f of x, which is y, is equal to minus 2 whole cube, which is minus 8. If we put x is equal to minus 1, so we get f of x is equal to minus 1 whole cube, which is minus 1. If we take x is equal to 0, then f of x of 0 cube is also 0. If we take x is equal to 1, so we get f of x is equal to 1 cube, which is again 1. If we have x is equal to 2, so f of x is equal to 2 cube, which is 8. So in this way we have got the values of y, also the whole coordinates we have got minus 2, there is minus 8, y. If we have x minus 1, we have y minus 1. If we have x 0, y 0, x 1, then y 1, x 2, and y 8. So first I would like to make a coordinate table here. Now we plot these all points here. So if we have x is equal to minus 2, then we have y is equal to minus 8. If we have x is equal to minus 1, we have y is equal to minus 1. If we have x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 1, y is also 1. If x is equal to 2, then y is 8. Now we plot these all points on our graph, so we see what happens now. So you see here x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to minus 2 is here and minus 8 is here. So we get here 1 point. And if we have x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1, we get here 1 point. If we have x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so we will get at origin. Now x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, both are positive, so we put here, and x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8, we will get here. Similarly we will get if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 27, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 27. In this way we get the numbers or the coordinates for this graph for cubic function. Now we draw the graph here. I draw the graph in two parts here. This one. So we have got this graph. So look at here, on x-axis we see the both side of y-axis the graph is on the right side is also exist and the left side is also exist. So the domain is R here, and the range we see the both side or x-axis, you see the upper side of x is there and the lower side of x is also there, it exists. So the range is also R here. So now we write down the domain range for this graph. So the domain domain of cubic function is R and range is also R, because it is the state both the sides along the x-axis and along the y-axis. So you see whole x-axis and whole y-axis, it can be mapped. So this is our graph of cubic function, and these are the domain and range.